Today we're going to show you how to replace the grip tape on Fungineers Stompies. We're going to do the back and the front, and then we're going to put on some new stuff. Some Good Day grip, perfect for activation. Bumps are all in the right place, so you guys will be stoked. Alright, so we're going to start with the back because this is going to be the easiest one to peel. The front has a sensor, so if you start in the back, kind of gives you a feeling of what this stuff is going to be like. So yeah, this stuff underneath, there's a layer of kind of a fibery stuff underneath. So we're going to heat this up with a little bit of a hairdryer. So yeah, it seems like when this starts to lift, you score and continue to pull. You can stop this from pulling off, and now we just have to clean a little bit of this with our rubbing alcohol. Alright, so we got the back all clean. Now we're going to work on the front. We're going to heat this up a little bit and then start peeling from this corner. Alright, so we got this heated up. We're going to worry about this. We don't want to pull on this. This is where it's going to connect into your controller box, but we want to start and make sure we're not lifting up on the sensor itself. And now you can see that separate layer of plastic. We're going to slowly pull back on itself, and we're lucky this seems to be coming off well off of the foot pad sensor. Now you can see the adhesive underneath the foot pad sensor, and you can start to see this is what actually activates. This in here is the pressure part. So when you press on these parts, press out here, the sensor will not activate. We're going to start on this front edge and we're going to pull back slowly. We're pulling back on itself. We don't want to lift up on the sensor. See the nice Fungineers logo. Just slow and steady. So we're just going to continue to work our way across. Alright, so we've got a nice start, and we can see there's no bubbles underneath this sensor, and that's what we're looking for. We're going to pull this like straight back on itself so that we're not lifting up. If we lift up, then we could be lifting up on the sensor. So this octagon, sectagon is starting to lift. So I need to be strategic and not keep lifting this up. It looks like there's some cutout here. And so I'm going to be very careful and work my way. Hold it down. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. Just hold this down, make sure that this does not lift and separate. And watching the rest of this too, just there we go. That looks pretty good. Did not lift, we caught it. Very slow. Alright, so we just have a little bit of residue to clean up here. Let's see if this just rolls right off. My hands are a little sweaty now. big stuff is off. Now we're going to get a little paper towel. A little rubbing alcohol, and we'll just clean up these little bits. I'm not going to really saturate it though. It's just real superficial stuff that we're getting. So yeah, I think this is all clean. Our rear, our front. Just make sure everything's really clean. And the next step, I'll show you how to put some grip tape on here. And all of the nubs will line up. So when you press down, everything is going to activate. There'll be a clear divide between right and left. Golden.